This tiny gadget claims to offer a full mechanical keyboard experience in a super compact form factor. But does it actually deliver? Let's dive into the Whnlsryy Mini mechanical keyboard. Right off the bat, the most striking feature is its size. It's incredibly thin and light, making it a dream for anyone who values portability or has limited desk real estate. The Mini design is genuinely clever. It frees up so much space, allowing your mouse to sit comfortably right next to it, which is a huge win for gamers or anyone who juggles multiple peripherals. Plugging it in is as simple as it gets. Just pop the USB Mini receiver into your computer, and you're ready to go. No complicated software, no fuss. This keyboard boasts both blue and red switch options, which is fantastic for customization. Whether you prefer the satisfying click and tactile bump of blues for typing or the smoother, faster response of reds for gaming, you have a choice. The RGB and mix backlit options add a nice visual flair. Though the specific details on the mix backlighting aren't fully elaborated, it suggests a degree of customization beyond standard solid colors. For data input, it's surprisingly efficient. Despite its small footprint, the key spacing feels natural enough for quick typing sessions. The anti-ghosting feature is crucial for gaming, ensuring that multiple key presses register accurately, which is essential when you're in the heat of a game. It's designed for both laptops and PCs, making it a versatile accessory. However, it's important to manage expectations. While it's a mechanical keyboard, the compact nature means it's likely a 60% or 75% layout, so you'll be sacrificing some dedicated keys like a number pad or function row. This is a trade-off for the portability and space-saving design. The build quality feels decent for its price point, though it might not have the premium heft of a full-sized, high-end mechanical keyboard. Overall, the Whnlsryy Mini mechanical keyboard is a compelling option for those who prioritize space and portability without wanting to compromise entirely on the mechanical keyboard feel. It's a practical and surprisingly capable little device for efficient data input and gaming on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.